Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to change a label in Gmail. So let's say you mislabeled an email and you're a very organized person, so it's been bugging you all day. But no matter what you do, you can't really seem to figure out how to change the label back. Let me show you how to do that. First, open your Gmail app. Here, click on the three lines on the top left corner. Now, under all labels, go to that label that email is saved in, and then you will see these options at the top. Click on the option that label is highlighted, and now from here, you can change the label just as you please. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.